The answer here is y equals negative 3 halves x plus 7 halves. Now remember, just because you see fractions doesn't mean it's wrong. Let's see how we got that answer. Again, this is a two-part question. First we have to find the slope, and then we have to find the equation. So first, let's find the slope. I know the equation of slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'm going to go ahead and label my points. This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Again, this helps me make sure I put the numbers in the right places. So the slope, y2, is negative 1, minus y1, which is 2, over x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is 1. So we have negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3, over 3 minus 1 is 2. So we know the slope is negative 3 halves, which is why you see negative 3 halves x in the equation. But how did we get 7 halves? There's a couple different ways to do this. We also know that the slope is equal to y minus y1 over x minus x1. So our slope was negative 3 halves, and that's going to equal y minus y1, y1 is 2, over x minus x1, which is 1. And again, I can cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I have negative 3 times x minus 1 equals 2 times y minus 2. Now I have to distribute. After I distribute, I have negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3 equals 2y. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. To put this in slope-intercept form, to put this equation in slope-intercept form, the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 3 from both sides, and I get negative 3x equals 2y minus 7. If I just go ahead and add 4 to both sides, I get negative 3x plus 7 equals 2y. And I can still divide everything through by 2, and I get y equals negative 3 halves x plus 7 halves. And we know that negative 3 halves x plus 7 halves equals y is the same as y equals negative 3 halves x plus 7 halves. Now we're going to try a couple of problems with parallel and perpendicular lines.